Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that JU token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, JU token is the native utility and governance token of the JU chain blockchain, designed to power a high performance ecosystem focused on user growth and real world assets integration. Native ecosystem fuel. JU is used to pay for transactions, fee, gas, stake for network security, and participate in on-chain governance. High performance foundation. It operates on JU chain, a layer 1 blockchain built for speed with 1 second block times and ultra low cost. JU token total supply. JU project institution rating is 2.3.6. JU token total supply is 210 million and circulating supply is around 20.48 million JU token. JU token is listed on JU.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.